Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in the mini vertical, and I'm going to continue using it as my catch-all planner. So far I've actually really liked it, and I think it's going to work out well for me. And this week I will be using the last of whatever's left on that page. I think that's just like literally it. Oh, 4 stickers. I have 4 stickers I can work with in Happy Blooms, and then Caregiver. Let's get started. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do first is actually put down all of the functional stuff. And I think I'm going to try and actually work with, not those, these, possibly these, shower tank. I find that funny for me particularly because I'm like, I have to remind myself to shower. No. Oh, there's grocery shopping stickers. I could work with that. Meal prep. Okay. Appointments. Yep. I could work with these. I can certainly. Okay. Looking more at, I do have these, which would work well, but I also like the boxes. Okay. All right. So what I'm going to do first is put one of these down. And this is the thing, this particular book, I don't think it's made necessarily for any particular planner. It's definitely not made for the mini vertical, but I'm still going to use it as such because I find it's such a great book. Why limit yourself to just the sticker books that are, you know, just in your planner size? Then I'm going to use yellow for any Tuesday tasks. And the truth is, I don't really know if we have any Tuesday tasks. And then I will use, I can hear my kids fighting upstairs already. My goodness gracious. I will use a pink for a to-do list on Wednesday. Although I think my husband has something to do that day as well. Now the thing is, it doesn't go all the way to the bottom. And actually that does bother me that it doesn't go all the way to the bottom. So I don't think I'm gonna use that. There goes a sticker. I will try use this blue. And the thing is, it's probably, oh, there's a blue right next to it, so I don't want to do that. I'm going to do this and put it across here. And yes, it's going to go over the holes for the discs, but I have a hole punch, so I can work with that. Okay, so far pretty functional. Now, Thursday. Is there anything that we could do on the Thursday? I can't remember. Like seriously, off the top of my head, I don't remember what my plans are. And I don't think there really are any. This is why I need a planner. Oh, I have a massage on Friday. That's important. Okay, so let's work with these. And I think I could also work with, I wish I had another yellow, but I'll make do with pink. So I'll make Friday actually the day that we get a few of these errands done. And I'm going to call it my self-care day. Maybe I need a smaller self-care sticker. Let's see. Maybe this would work. I don't like the, there isn't, I know there's probably smaller self-care stickers, but the ones I'm finding right now are all big, and I have a lot on my hand. There we go. Teeny tiny ones. So, self-care day. Yes. Okay. And then Thursday Thursday what I'll do is I'll actually put the sticker down here. I don't think we have anything major on the Thursday though. 24th is normally when, actually we're back to regular schedule with, it's I think Henry's last wall climbing that day. And then this one, this is going to be a tough one because I know I'm going to probably use a checklist for Sunday in terms of the tasks that we have to do. And I think it's going to bother me if I, let's see, noted to do, okay, let's use the to do. And then almost to the end. And that's actually not where I wanted to put it. Oh my goodness. And the way I'm ripping it off right now is not, yeah, I've just ruined a sticker, guys. Okay. And then this is probably not going to make it either. Because I put it in the wrong spot. I just put it in the wrong spot. Okay. Goodbye. So get another to-do sticker. Is there another? There, another to-do sticker. Whoops. With, there's no more yellow. Okay, let's maybe do a yellow to-do sticker with the green. Let's get this right this time, Karina. Okay, let's put this down. I don't mind it being off center of the box. I just want this one to line up with the bottom, which I think it might. Ah, yes. Okay. Then I might do the same for Thursday, although I feel like I don't really have much on the Thursday. So why don't I still put one down anyway, just in case anything does come up. And I'll make it blue. It's a little bit off, but that's okay. All right, I feel like functionally we're good. So now let's carefully take that. And I feel like I've shot myself in the foot with this now. I did all the functional first, and now there's not going to be any room for the decor. Because if I try and lift that up, yeah, I'm just going to wreck the sticker. So I'm actually going to, this is what I'm going to do. White that out. I'm going to place this right over like this. Okay, and then I'm going to find another label for priority, noted, to do. Yeah, I can put pink on that side. There isn't any pink on that side, so that would work. That's actually really cute. Then, ooh, sticker sheet done. You guys know what that means. I need to find my pen first of all. Where is my bloody pen? I'm gonna have to use this one that I don't think really works. Happy, yeah, it doesn't really. Blooms. What's the date today? 17th. And put that one to the side. Then, let's see. I feel like I could put this here or up here, and I probably should have put, but this color is too similar, you see. So I think what the best thing to do would be put this here, and I'm gonna find a really nice quote to go there, like choose joy. Perfect. And then I'll put something up here. I literally have only 2 stickers left, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to make that work. Because you guys, you know how I like to make my spreads match, and I don't think I'm going to have enough of the Happy Bloom stickers to do that this week, so I don't know what I'm going to do. Okay. Let's find a quote to go up here. Going down here. Actually, what I think I'm going to do is cut this sticker down. I seriously have no idea where my scissors are. They're normally there, and now they're not. Like, where have my scissors gone? It's a total mystery. Seriously. Okay, so what I think has to happen with this is place this down like so. I'm going to figure out how it's going to fit this way. So let's grab my X-Acto knife and the ruler. I haven't been putting anything back where they belong. So let's just do it like this. I'm guessing. Woo! Oh no, I'm just guessing. And hoping that whatever cut I make, yes, is a gooder. Okay. Then using one of these longer quotes, I choose to be positive. I like that. Okay. Oh, I really like that. And then I'm going to place this leaf, one more leaf here, probably up here, and then put that with a, I think a Stay Positive would be nice. And then this plant, it's going to bother me if I can't use it. I don't know how I'm going to try and fit that into a different type of spread. I really don't know how I'm going to make that fit. All right, so there is the spread in my planner. I think it's going to work out functionally for me. I mean, for anybody who's not completely familiar with the vertical layout, I think it could look clunky, but I do have a to-do list on each day, plus something happening on Monday night, to-do list. And really, I work off to-do list. If you guys are familiar with the dashboard layout, I really did just work off to-do list. So now it's just in a different format. All right, I do like the combination with Caregiver. It's just gonna drive me nuts that I have that one sticker that I couldn't put anywhere. Like, that's way too big. Is it? Yeah, it's just too big. Oh my gosh, am I gonna just not be able to use this page because it's just one sticker? Oh boy. We'll figure it out. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.